Thank you for tuning in, guys. And on today's video, if you got a vibration in the back of your Endeavor, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to check it out. It's pretty simple and you can do it at home. The first thing you want to do is put your jack. This is not the best or safest jack, so I don't recommend using this, but it's good enough to check out what needs to be done. We got us jacked right here on this support. And as you can see, this tire is past due changing. I've been trying to figure out why it's been wearing down uneven. As you can see, and it's been hopping. So, it can either be a bend or it could be a bushing. Go ahead, Tony, shake this tire. You can grab the tire when it's off the ground and then just work it backwards and forwards. As you can see, we do got movement here. You would think at the wheel bearing, but it's not. That is movement from a bushing. So pretty much we need a spindle bushing. Now I don't know if you can buy the bushings for these Endeavors or you have to buy the whole spindle. I will be checking into that, so it will be an update video of me fixing this problem, because it is something I'm going to have to attend to. It's either do it this way or I'm going to have to get me some urethane and make me a bushing, which can be done. I've done it on motor mounts and stuff before, because it ain't no use me putting new tires on this Endeavor with it having this problem. And by God, we know we need tires.
Yeah, definitely need tires.
So definitely hit the subscribe button, drop me a like, leave me a comment if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned. We got more videos coming. See you next time.